Hello dear students, good morning to all of you. As we have discussed about the role of financial management, now today we will start the discussion on financial decision. This is the most important part of the financial management because all the financial terms are related on this financial decision. So dear students, this financial decision has been classified or categorized in two parts. First, three parts. First is investment decision, second is financing decision, and third is dividend decision. Dear students, under the investment decision, the business enterprises have to take capital budgeting decision and working capital decision. Thereafter, second is financing decision. Under this financing decision, the business enterprises thinks about the different sources of the finance, like for creation of finance or sources of finance by equity or debt or from financial institution. And third decision is very much important, that is dividend decision. This is very much important for wealth maximization. So dear students, under the dividend decision, it is categorized, or we have to study two terms, that is the decision related to the retained earning and the decision related to distribution of dividend. So dear students, each and every company is required to take three main financial decisions. So first of all, today we will start the discussion about investment decision. Dear students, under the investment decision, the resources are scarce and can be put to alternate use. A firm must choose where to invest so as to earn the highest possible profit. Dear students, under the investment decision, the business enterprises and the financial manager has to think about that the sources of the finance which are available in the organization, where it should be applied, or in which activity the particular fund can be utilized, from where we can get more and more profit. Dear students, investment decision relates to decision about how the firm funds are invested in different assets, that is different investment proposals. Now the investment decision has two components, or investment decision can be classified into two parts. First is investment in decision related to investment in working capital, which is basically related to the short-term investment decision, and second is capital budgeting decision, which is related to the long-term investment decision. So dear students, these two are the main component of investment decision. Now we will discuss about the factors affecting investment decision or capital budgeting decision. First of all, we will discuss about the capital budgeting decision, that what is capital budgeting decision and what are the factors which are affecting the investment decision or capital budgeting decision of a business enterprise. So dear students, first of all, cash flow project each and every capital budgeting decision. Capital budgeting decision, it means investment in long-term assets or long-term sources of finance. So first of all, for investing in long-term assets like plant and machinery, equipments, investment for fixed deposit. So for investment decision, first is cash flow of project. Dear students, basically cash flow refers the inflow and outflow of cash, and which is a series of cash receipt and cash payment over the lifetime of the investment proposal, and that should be considered and analyzed for selecting the best proposal. Dear students, until or unless we do not study about the cash flow project of the company, then it is quite impossible to take the appropriate decision regarding appropriate investment decision regarding investment in capital budgeting. Now the next factor, that is rate of return. Dear students, as we know that we must expect some return on the investment, because if we are taking risk, then we must want the award or reward for that risk. So each and every investment there is a expected return is there, and each and every business enterprises think about it. So the expected return from each proposal and risks involved in them should be taken into account to select the best proposal. Thereafter, the third factor, that is investment criteria involved. Dear students, the various investment proposals are evaluated on the basis of capital budgeting techniques. These involve calculation regarding investment amount, interest rate, cash flow, rate of return, etc. So before making the investment, before making the capital budgeting decision, we must have to think about that what are the criteria which are required for capital budgeting and what techniques should be applicable over there. Now dear students, today we will stop it over here. Tomorrow we will start from working capital decisions and factors affecting the working capital decisions. Till then, thank you.